Welcome to Calgary Living, where we discuss Calgary lifestyle, community, and homes. I'm Diane Planadin, a local realtor here, licensed with Royal LePage Benchmark, and today I wanted to discuss a little bit more about lifestyle. I get this question so much, especially when people are getting ready to sell their property, because they want to try and appeal to what is new and exciting and fresh. You also have to appeal to what people really, really love. And that is why I wanted to discuss why open floor plans versus traditional living spaces are unique to each individual. The open concept has been touted for years as more conducive to modern living. But wait, now we're working from home, aren't we? Is an open floor plan really the best thing when everybody's online? Everyone's trying to do, work, homework, Zoom calls, whatever has it, right? So there's something to be said about a combination of the two. And it really does have to meet your lifestyle because you have to determine what's right for you. So let's start with the open floor plan. It is fantastic for entertaining. I love entertaining and I'm looking forward to doing it one day again soon. But having a nice open space and, if you're cooking in the kitchen, being able to interact with your guests, being able to see, being part of the conversation, just being part of the overall, you know, experience is really, really nice. So think about, your kitchen, dining, living space. That's all great if you love entertaining. It also gives you a lot of versatility because you can make a little spot here and there for your needs. Some people like to have a computer set up in their kitchen or a television and have a little bit of a nook or a fold down desk, whatever have you. Open concept really provides for that. And it also gives you more natural light because you have this wide open space. But it also gives you more noise. So really think hard about if that is what is going to work for you at this stage in your lifestyle versus the traditional plan. I mean, I've seen homes that are kind of like choppy. There's too many rooms, there's too many doors. What was that architect thinking? But there was a time and place for very traditional floor plans. So if you really need distinct spaces, you want to be able to close the door, shut out all the noise, have your own private little library oasis, then that does function for you, and it's a good thing. Gives you more privacy. It really does, because I mean, you've probably seen all those crazy, I don't know, Instagram, YouTube videos about people who are on a Zoom call and the kids are running in and the dog's running across the desk and the cat is just being a fabulous cat, and you're trying to be serious and work and life is happening behind you. So it's one of those things to take into consideration because we don't really know what our new norm looks like quite yet. And then finally, decorating. Small spaces, they're actually easier to decorate. A room that is defined, just think of your bedroom. Think of each bedroom in your house. I don't know, maybe you have 1, 3, 5, I don't know. Each bedroom can take on its own personality, its own look, its own vibe. So when you have distinct spaces, then decorating becomes easier. The focal point is still always going to be number 1, the kitchen. Number 2, the master suite, preferably with an ensuite, but do not make that ensuite too open. A little bit of privacy still is in line, right? And then, if you're a visual person, you really want your space to be a reflection of you. You want it to be defined. And I know I've talked about in my blog post, my blog post gets thousands and thousands of people reading it in different areas online. And the biggest one lately has been what I'm talking about today, between modern and traditional, and also for downsizing, between minimalism, which you have to consider, and still collecting stuff. And so I really find this interesting because as a realtor, as someone who's loves decor, I love design, I love architecture, and I do a lot of staging for my clients. I mean, I am with them every step of the way. If you follow certain rules, certain guidelines, you don't have to spend a lot of money to get your house ready. There's a lot of excellent technology available now. But one of the things I'm going to say out loud is paint. Be very, very careful with your paint colors if you're thinking of resale. Right now, the trend is back to brown and back to beige walls, and I'm just saying right now, if you want to freshen up your house and get it ready for sale, don't go with color trends. Keep it neutral, light, white, cream, bright. Just remember that. Light, bright, cream, bright. Light, bright, cream, white. That's what I wanted to say. So let me know if I can help you. I'd be happy to give you a consultation if you're ready to make a move, or if you're looking to downsize and you don't know what to do with all your stuff. I have dealt with lots and lots of clients who were overwhelmed and didn't know where to start. So if you need a little bit of help along the way, give me a call today. I'm Diane Flanagan, and I am happy to help you make a move.